Hi, this is Harriet from Harriet's Botanicals, and we've promised to continue bringing you new products to innovate, and we're doing exactly that. So you may have seen new products on our page. The one I want to talk about is this one, Segutiet. And yes, I know Segutiet has different meanings in different cultures, but the plant itself can also be used in traditional medicine. And Segutiet has 12 plants. We always just take the one that we think is most interesting, the one that actually vibes with what we're trying to do. But it has quite a number of plants in there that do a lot of things, right? So Segutiet is a natural antibiotic, but it's also anti-inflammatory. We talk about Segutiet, which is anti-inflammatory. This is anti-inflammatory, mainly related to diabetes, autoimmune and heart condition, and a lot of insulin resistance conditions, which actually lead to inflammation. When we talk about inflammation, we're talking about caused by infections, bacterial infections. We're talking about pneumonia, we're talking about whooping cough, we're talking about an earache, like an infection, ear infection that is bacterial. We're talking about strep throat. We're talking about sepsis, you know, kind of more of the serious conditions that are difficult to treat. We're talking about UTIs. So speaking of UTIs, you can then pair it with tendoit, right? Speaking of arrowroot, you can pair it again with arrowroot for those very, very difficult to treat UTIs, chronic UTIs, and PID as well. And of course, you can pair it with Segutiet for the fact that you might have some infections, you might get a cut that can be infected, or you're going post-surgery. Post-surgery or pre-surgery, these are really good to use, right? And obviously, we've talked about respiratory health. When you have that horrible cough, that won't go away, when your throat is so sore. I was feeling under the weather just the other day, and I used this consistently for 2 days, and I'm back to normal, and I'm excited about that because I wanted to test my own product. Remember, we never bring you something that we haven't tested ourselves at Harriet's Botanicals. So that is the new product. And please give us feedback. We welcome all the feedback. In addition, speak to your doctor. This is very important. And that is why when you come to us, we ask you for your results, what your gynecologist or your doctor has said, what other treatments you are taking. And all our products actually are complementary with allopathic medication, except the hormonal ones, because we don't want to give you a double dose. If you're taking something hormonal, we don't want to give you something hormonal as well. Or if you're on family planning, which actually our products, especially arrowroot, will actually wash out, except the non-hormonal family planning. Thank you so much. Leave us questions or call us, ask us, and we're here for all your wellness needs.